The OPY Forum provided a unique opportunity for young people to exchange innovative ideas side by side with scientists and educators.
So many people, so many exhibits, they all look amazing, and so fun talking to different people, and I can see that there's just energy flowing around everywhere.
A combination of how young people could come together and really quickly create interesting ideas, solutions, and bring real energy and creativity to what needs to change.
The very first obstacle, I believe, in anyone in creating any initiative needs to overcome, which is, can I actually do it? And other obstacles mostly relate to how to able to engage with more young people.
And hopefully we'll have cooperation across Asia on some very important citizen science projects and some other projects.
In the coming year, I hope that more young people in Hong Kong and around the world will harness their power and innovative ideas to preserve our environment.